Gage Labang the rope and racing, dancing tight, jump squeak out of the gate, followed by Hokey Hoke, Legacy, Bonjura. Entry number 1, Real Excellent, while Lover of All is running in a tail of the field. Dancing tight, leads by some 2.5 lengths, followed by Hokey Hoke. 5 lengths away in third, Bonjura alongside Legacy. 4 lengths back is Real Excellent, while Lover of All still running in a tail of the field inside the last 600. It is still Dancing Tight, leads by some 4 lengths, followed by Hokey Hoke. Towards the last 350, it is still Dancing Tight by some 4 lengths, Hokey Hoke. Bonjour Legacy, Real Excellent, and Lover of All. Towards the final turn, it is still Dancing Tight, saying goodbye to the rest of the field, and the last 50 meters is all Dancing Tide. Hokey Hope, Bonjour, Legacy, Real Excellent, and Lover of All.
4536.
Yes.
All right, AB, Dancing Tight and